Try to make it more transparent, more secure, both for the user. If you have any kind of wallet like a MetaMask and all, you can see.
So guys, we have Johan and Vinay with us, and they are having different ecosystem like XvcTech network, XvcTech, and the Ledger ecosystem. So we are going to ask few questions about their product and services, what they are offering. So Johan, we can start with you, and you can explain what is your product and service and what you are doing currently for to expand your ecosystem. You can use.
Yeah, so my name is Johan Lundberg, as you said, and what I run is a company called XvcTech, which is an investment company, and we invest in next generation Web3 companies or companies that would like to transform from Web2 to Web3 by using the XvC network.
Okay.
So we try to be like a modern investment company, but we have the blockchain as a driver of our investment thesis.
Okay, so like for example, if someone having their own system on the web too, so how do you help them? Like, what are the procedure we need to follow to?
Let's say, for instance, we have an insurance company. That's a very good example. We are looking into many different kind of insurance companies to invest in. And if you look on how they handle all the documentation and all the paperwork and everything that you as a customer provide to them, it's a mess, right? And it's also easy to exchange, to move around, and change it to other kind of dates, whatever it might be. But by creating smart contracts or like boxes on the blockchain where we can put all this kind of information inside, we try to use that and try to make it more transparent, more secure, both for the users and for everyone. So that is how we try to use it. Oh, one example, yeah.
Okay, sounds good. So we can ask about the LedgerFi. So Vinay, you can explain like what is this and how you started and what are the things coming into the pipeline.
Okay, thank you. I'm Vinay Krishna, and I'm part of LedgerFi Ecosystem.
Okay.
What we are doing is we are building a secure Web 3.0 communication ecosystem which contains both formal communication plus informal. So when I'm talking about formal, usually we use emails for that.
Okay.
And what we have done is we have built a one complete decentralized Web 3.0 email system based on XvC blockchain, and which gives you completely freedom of any kind of like a spamming, phishing, and that kind of attack. We have built our own email protocols based on blockchain. Rather, we have not used any obsolete, cumbersome traditional email protocols like SMTP, which is by nature vulnerable, right?
Okay.
So, and it is completely end-to-end encryption. So,
Okay.
you not only in case of your transit, but also in the on the server or rest, the data and everything will be completely encrypted, and
Okay.
all the users will be having their. It's a completely non-custodian wallet based, so the user will be having those private keys and those things. Right? He can be
Okay.
able to execute them.
Sounds good. So, like for example, everyone is currently running on the Web 2 because Web 3 is not properly launched. Because, like for example, when it comes to the launching new website on Web 3, so I know like Web 2 is having lesser security than the Web 3 because it is Web 3 is hosted on a blockchain system, so we cannot uh, crack the each block because everything is separated into the different blocks. Like if we want to grab the one particular information about the particular person or the particular key or something, so we cannot easily crack those things. So I'm having one question regarding this. So as you have created your own ecosystem, so have you guys working on the existing blockchain system as well, or you have working on your own ecosystem or blockchain?
Yeah, so I will tell you like what we have done is there is two parts. One is when we are talking about Web 2 and Web 3, like the user and how we will be able to support. We have tried to integrate with as much as possible with all different Web 3 solution providers. Like if you have any kind of wallet like a MetaMask and all, you can seamlessly come to our system ecosystem. You can log in very easily on that. Similarly, we have done like a Web3 login with any decentralized DNS services like unstoppable ENS, WNS. It's integrated with that also. Yeah, and storage wise also we are using Filecoin, ChainSafe, Harvey, many more in that case. So the whole thing is what I'm trying to tell here is, though the blockchain part that we are using is mostly for two purpose.
Okay.
So any kind of email transaction, right? That is going, that proof is going on the blockchain. Rest other is getting into that completely decentralized ecosystem.
Okay.
Right. And yes, of course, as you have told rightly, it can be supported by the multi-chain also. So it will not be dependent on one particular kind of blockchain also.
Okay, sounds good. So have you launched your own token as well?
So in our case, yes, token launch, still we have to do that. We have not done, but we are on the process of that, because now we are going to build that complete ecosystem. If you look at Ledger Mail is there, Ledger Chat is there. We are going to come up with a decentralized calls also, like Ledger Live, then your Ledger Pay, and then maintain also, right?
Okay.
So there is a quick roadmap, and yes, early next year we are going to have with our own.
Okay, so I have one questions about my audience. Like everyone is grabbing data from the like Apollo.io, Snow.io. Like for example, if someone needs like business emails, like I know like you are working on the blockchain-based email service.
Yeah.
So everyone wants to grab the business emails to build their customer base, like B2B or B2C. So when it comes to the when it comes to the Web 2.0, so easily we can grab the emails from LinkedIn as well. We can grab the emails from the website. And when it comes to the Web3, so it is going to be decentralized. So how do you guys going to incorporate with your technologies like Web3 to grab the emails or something and provide the best user experience for the Ledger Mail service?
So in case of Ledger Mail also, if you look at like we are giving custom username, which is nothing but your kind of like a domain. Suppose you want xyz.abc, right? So that you can be able to get that kind of custom username. Plus, we have also integrated with all premium Web3 DNS services like interoperable domain. If you are purchasing a domain there, same domain ledger name, ledger mail, you can get the username also.
Okay.
Same way ENS, WNS, XGC domain names, and recently we have done with the free name also.
Okay, yeah. Sounds good. So guys, as Vinay explained everything what they are going to launch in their ecosystem. So they have not launched their token at the moment, but maybe they are going to launch in the future. So I always explain you guys like there are so many things behind the back before launching the token. So we need to look into the ecosystem, what they are working on, what are the base, because everyone is launching new tokens or something because they are not having any ecosystem. So it's not a good way to invest into any of the tokens before looking into what are the ecosystem, what are the new applications are coming into the market, what are the new things are coming into the pipelines. So that's the main thing we need to look into it. And I can see like there are a lot of things they are working on, like XvcTech network, they are incorporated with an XvcTech, and also with the Ledger ecosystem. So there are so many things coming into the pipeline. So I'm also going to keep eye on your business, like what you are going to do. If you are going to launch your tokens, of course, I will let my company know like how you need to invest in your token ecosystem, and we will look like what are the new things coming into the pipeline. So thank you for your time. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you.